Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking and commenting on my videos. This thing, Musa and Tobile, will be going on until the season ends, and after that, that guy likes making us talk. So Tobile did an interview on True FM. It's available here on YouTube if you want to watch, where she mentioned that she's basically not leaving because it's not the time for her to leave Musa. And she also said things like how some of the things Musa said about her not being able to have kids were hurtful, but he was expressing how he felt at the time, even though he might have gone about it the wrong way. And also, when she was asked about Makwela, what she thinks of Makwela, she just said Ukwela basically like climbing onto a car or something, basically not acknowledging her. And people are actually having her on Twitter still because of this, because they feel like she was just being shady for no reason. But for this video, Musa responded to Makumalo. I don't know why people feel like it's because he's still blocked on WhatsApp and any kind of way to contact Makumalo, because he responded about Makumalo's show and said, I have listened to your interview. This guy, son, posting Makumalo's photo, which he posted like long ago, to show that he literally does not care. This guy does not care about Makumalo. We are fine with that, and let's just accept it. Makumalo is choosing to say, I think more than anything, Makumalo is saying because this guy groomed her. She was very young when he proposed to her. She was very young. She didn't know anything. She's staying out of, I don't know, familiarity. I feel like I don't believe someone as established as her mentally, emotionally, and others, I believe at least she is, would stay with someone who does not like them as much as Musa doesn't like her. But this is what Musa had to say, and this sort of, I think Musa is always clickbaiting us. He's always trying to make us talk so that we can watch the show more or whatever the case may be. But at the same time, I think that he's not okay. Something is not okay in the head somewhere. I don't know why it's not okay, but something is not okay. But anyway, this is what he had to say. As to why he decided to say it on social media and not to her face to face, we can only assume that it's because he's still blocked on WhatsApp or whatever. But let me know what you think about this. Was this necessary for people? And people are people are like having fun with him and his captions and all the things that he's doing with regards to Makumalo. I think maybe also you can see that this show or this season will go on because of how he treats Makumalo according to the public eye. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.